How to find liked pages on Facebook. With Facebook's updated interface, the Pages tab no longer shows your liked pages directly. In this tutorial, I'll show you 2 easy ways to find them. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android device and make sure you're signed in. Tap the 3-line menu icon in the top left corner. Then select Settings and Privacy and tap on Settings. Next, select Activity Log. Under Your Facebook Activity, scroll down and tap Pages, Page Likes, and Interests. Here, you'll see a list of all the Facebook pages you've liked. And that's it. That's how you can find your liked pages on Facebook using either the mobile app or the desktop version. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Facebook tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.